Hey everybody, Brian at Voiceopia here. Just wanting to show you how to connect a Yealink EHS adapter up with a Plantronics headset. This is the 540, probably the most popular cordless headset we recommend. So you've got your cordless base. I've got the power cord already plugged in here just for visual. We don't have it actually powered up. The Yealink EHS adapter comes with cables for 3 different types of headsets. But for the sake of the video, since we're only dealing with Plantronics, I've removed all those cables. So you have here the headset cable that goes to the base, to the phone, and then the EHS adapter. So I've already plugged up the 2 cables here. You've got this cable on the right side that kind of looks like an Ethernet cable, sort of. You've got this, what looks like a headphone type cable on the other side. So with the Plantronics, the thing to keep in mind is you have a cable on each side of this little box. They don't go on the same side. So we're just going to take the headphone button looking here, plug it into the back of the base, just like that. Then we're going to take this side here, and it's going to go into the EXT port here on the edge of the phone. Of course, your internet connection goes into here, power supply for the phone if you need a power supply. So we're going over here at EXT. If you have a sidecar, your sidecar plugs into here, and then this little guy will plug into an identical port on the sidecar. That's how you make that work. We're then going to take this little guy here, and you're going to plug, you're going to take the little end and actually go into the headset port there, and you're going to take this little guy and plug it in to the only place it will fit on the back of the base. Now, since this is an EHS adapter, you don't have to connect the receiver cord through here. You know, on older setups, you had to kind of daisy that. You don't have to here. So let's just review. So on the back of the headset adapter, we have 3 cords. The power cord for the headset base, this headphone looking guy here, and then the cable here that connects to the phone. Over here at the EHS adapter, we have that single headset looking cord by itself. We have this EXT cable here that plugs into the EXT port. Your headset cable right here going back to the base. So it's kind of a little loop. And just for the sake of the video, I know sometimes these videos go so fast and you go, wait, what do you have? I'm just going to slowly pan through and show you this one more time before I close up here. So we're going to start at the base, and I'm going to kind of go in a circle. So I've got this cable here, right there. It goes, you know, there's the little thing in the middle there. It goes to the headset port. Then we're going to come over here, EXT port. That comes out and goes into the Yealink adapter on that side by itself. Then over here, I've got this little headphone looking port. That cable goes over here back to the base right there in the middle. That's how you get that going with EHS. EHS is a much better solution than the old school lifters that you have to glue on here and have it, you know, pick the receiver up and down. It's a much better solution, cleaner, neater, because pretty much all this stuff can kind of hide under the kickstand. So you can kind of keep that nice and tidy, and all that stuff's kind of hidden, so it's a little bit better. Hope this helps. If you have any trouble getting your setup up and going with your Voiceopia Yealink phone, give us a call, 423-509-8000. We'll be happy to help. Talk to you next time.